everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha. I am here to do my Monday makeup try-on. We had talked in my last video that I would try on all of the things that I unboxed from BoxyCharm. And I didn't have a full face, so you can see I already have foundation and those kind of things on. But we'll jump into the try-on in just a few minutes. Thank you all so much for joining me again. Please consider subscribing. Click that button, ring the bell so that you guys get notified of my upcoming uploads. Tomorrow we will do a premium unboxing for my BoxyCharm for the month of April. So stay tuned. We're going to jump right into the makeup try-on. So far I didn't have a full face from BoxyCharm. We'll go through the items that I received as we go along. The video is in my channel for the BoxyCharm unboxing for March and for April, and I combined those 2 months because I did not get a lot of makeup in my April box, so we're going to try on both. And so I have foundation on already. I do have my blush, my highlight, I have my brows. We did talk that I received the Kat Von D signature brow, but it did not work very well for me, so I didn't use that. I used the Benefit brow. And so then we're going to go ahead and jump in with eyes and whatever else that I have. So let's start with eyes first. We received this Hello Charmer BoxyCharm palette. And I'll open it up and show you the colors again. So here are the colors right here. I am not sure what I'm going to do, so we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. We did receive the Lavish brushes as well, so I'm going to use those with my eye look as much as I can, kind of give you some feedback about what I think about the brushes. So we're going to start off with the big pink fluffy brush, and we're going to, I do already have eye base down, so we're going to go ahead and do the premium right here and put that kind of all over the lid. So let's go ahead and see, and I'm going to kind of do both, lay that down as a base so that we can kind of give a good base to blend on. The brush is not bad. It's not super dense, so it's very, very fluffy and loose. It'll do really well for blending things out. It doesn't do great for laying down the color. So we can see there's a little bit of color, kind of a wash right there on my eyes. And I think the next color that I'm going to go in with, we're going to mix Cup of Joe and Exclusive. So we'll mix those two together, that darker and this, to give just a little bit more color in the crease. So I'm going to tuck that right in my crease and kind of build that outer corner up, just to give a little more definition there. And we'll kind of blend and blend. Cup of Joe Exclusive. Same thing on this eye. Okay, keep on going. I never get my eyes exactly the same. For whatever reason, I can always do really good on my left eye. I do not do as well on my right eye. Definitely sisters here. You guys can't even see my shirt, but I have a little bit of a teal shirt. I really want to use that Swipe Up color. That was that cool duochrome color right here. So I think I'm actually going to use that. So let's take a little bit of Unboxing, which is more of a brick red kind of thing, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner. And so I'm going to switch to my flat brush right here, and we're going to lay a little bit down kind of in that outer edge right there. And just kind of work on building up that color in the outer V. That's kind of a little brick red. This lays the color down fine. Definitely more of a brown than it is a red here. At least that's what it's coming off. I don't know what it, yeah, even on camera a little bit more of a brown undertone than what that red that it looks like in the pan. So we're just going to keep building up that outer corner. Okay, and so I actually am going to kind of get most of the color off of this, and I'm going to go in there and just blend that red in with everything else so that we can kind of get it all blended nice and pretty. And I would really like to take that swipe up color and put it on here. I'm not sure what that'll look like, but we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try it. I feel like it needs just a little more pink, but that's where we're going. So still using this brush, I'm going to flip it over. I am actually going to spray it a little bit with my Ofra setting spray. Ooh, I almost lost that palette. With my Ofra setting spray. So we'll just give it a little bit of a spritz on the one side and see how that does with picking up this swipe up color. So that's what I'm going into next. So right here, this beautiful pinky duochrome, and we're gonna put that right on. Ooh. So now I sprayed the brush. I know it's hard to see right there, but that, holy moly, that picked up a whole lot. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna tap that all over. Ooh-wee. Glitter on the lashes and glitter all over the place. Definitely a lot of fall out with the glitter. It's more of a chunky glitter, so you can see. I'll get a little bit closer if it'll, nope, it won't. There we go. You still can't see it. There's quite a bit of glitter fallout that's right underneath here from me putting it on my lid. We're going to go ahead and do the other side as well, and we'll just kind of use a fluffy brush to brush it off. That is super, super glittery. It does not pick up super well on camera. Let's go ahead and... Nope, still does not pick up super good on camera. It is so glittery. Chunky glitter, so you can actually see the glitter on the eyeball. The glitter is more of a, like a purpley silver kind of color, so it changes as it reflects with the light. I'm going to take that fluffy brush back with a little bit of spoiler right here, and we're going to blend out this whole entire crease since there's so much glitter right there. Holy moly. I mean, I like glitter. I do. I like glitter. I like it a lot, but there's quite a bit. Okay. So that's where we're at with that. I'm going to take the pointy brush right here, and we're going to go into this, it's actually kind of a little bit of a sheen called Pop Up right there. I'm going to use that for the inner corner. We'll see if that's light enough. If not, we'll put a little bit of the Boxy on. So we'll put that right there in that inner corner. That's pretty. That's kind of a metallic shade. I am going to take my brush and try and brush away some of that. Ooh, some of that glitter. Ooh, yeah, some of that glitter. Okay, so there is the eye look. My camera is not focusing. But you can see quite a bit of glitter, a little bit of a duochrome, which is hard to see. It's much easier in person. But I think that's where the look is at. So we're going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner that I forgot to bring with me. So we'll grab that in just a second. Let's go ahead and... Oh, no, it's right here. Good. So we're going to go ahead and put some eyeliner on. I definitely need a mirror for this because there is no way that I'll be able to do it in the monitor here. So forgive me, we're just going to go ahead and... I cannot talk and do eyeliner at the same time. So even with the glitter on, it is not bad to put the eyeliner on. That's sometimes what I worry about with glitter. It's a little bit harder to hit that spot, and you get a little too much and you're like, oh no, I need to make the line thicker, and now I need to make the line thicker, and I need to make the line thicker, and then you end up with this huge line that you didn't really mean to have. So I think that's as good as we're going to get with those. So a little bit of a wing there, not much. With my eyes are just a little bit hooded, so I do have to be careful with the wings, but we'll leave it like that. We are going to put some mascara on, but we'll do that in just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and jump to another product that I actually got in my BoxyCharm. We're going to use this Becca lip liner here, and we're going to draw in our lips, and we are going to use the little smudgy end just because I want to see how it actually works. So let's go ahead and line those lips real quick. Well, so I didn't press very hard and I already broke it. So let's turn it up a little bit, but maybe not as much, and let's see. So this liner is so close. Ooh, I have glitter down on my face. Holy moly. So close to my skin color that you can't even tell that it's on. My lips are actually darker than this pencil is. This is a pretty light pencil. It does break super easy, although it is very creamy. This little blendy part at the very end is supposed to be a smudger. For me, it's already dry, and it's already so similar to the color of my lips that you can't even tell that the smudger is doing anything. I do like the creaminess of this Becca lip liner. I have to say it's very soft, so be careful. Don't press super hard. Just you'll break it just like I did. We're going to go in and with our next product right here. This is our Appeal lipstick that we received in this brick red color. No, I don't know if it's super matchy with this, but we're going to go ahead and put it on. Super creamy. The color is not bad for me. Definitely not a brick colored person. This is definitely not my preference for color, but it is really nice. It goes on really creamy and smooth. We'll see how long it lasts. I don't know. So there's my BoxyCharm. The only other thing that I have is the iconic liquid highlighter. And I will go ahead and put a little bit of this on. I'm going to put just a little bit on my hand, and then we will tap it out on my highlight that's already there. My problem with this is it's just a little bit dark for me, as well as I do have some texture. So sometimes when you use a liquid highlighter on your face, it can just pull that texture up just a little bit, and I'm not always the biggest fan of that. I do tend to have some larger pores and just a little bit of texture through there as well as through there. And if you, depending on what highlight you get, if you get the wrong one, it will pick that up right away. So hang on one second. I'm going to go put eyelashes or put mascara on, and then I'll come back and touch base with what I thought about all these products. Okay, back for my final thoughts. I did actually take a little bit of that liquid highlighter with my teeny little yellow pen brush here, and I took just a little bit of that and I did put it on my inner corner right underneath there. I actually like that. I think that looks really cool. I even like the color. It gives a nice good highlight. We have It Superhero on the lashes. I did so let's just go over really quick. I did also put a lighter lip gloss, a little bit of a nudie lip gloss over this lipstick, and I do like the color better with that. So let's go ahead and kind of talk through what my thoughts are. Iconic London highlighter. It is really pretty. I'm not a big fan for liquid highlighter right on my cheeks because I'm trying to really decrease the amount of texture, what it looks like. I definitely will use it for in the corner, and I have read that some people like to mix it in with their foundation. So that'll be the next thing I try. I'll actually put it in because I do really like a glowy foundation. The brushes are okay. I do really like this little smaller pencil brush kind of tip, so that you can do kind of detail work. I do think the brushes are decent. They are $29.99 is the retail value for them. I think that's a little expensive for them. The Profusion brushes are significantly better in quality, and I think they're about $5 each. I would definitely prefer those, but these are decent. They did the job. They blended out everything well. Let's talk about the BoxyCharm palette. It's decent. The colors are a little bit different in the pan than they are on your eye. It did blend out fine. There was quite a bit, and even still, as I've gone through the day, I find glitter all over my face from the glitter that I put right here. So definitely I would use a glitter glue, which I did not do today. So if you're going to use those kind of glittery project things, I would definitely put the glitter glue down first to help make sure that it kind of sticks where it needs to be. And I might even, depending on what colors I was using, do eye makeup first so that you can avoid all of that fallout, because there was a good bit of fallout. The Becca lip liner pencil worked fine. It didn't seem too drying on my lips. It was the same color. So it's actually a nice nude color. It works well. I don't think the blending in did much, but because it was the same color as my lips, I couldn't really tell. If you had a darker color for the Becca lip liner and smudged it out, that might be something that worked better for that. The Appeal lipstick, super, super creamy. Again, not a big fan of the color, but once I put the nude lip gloss on, looks fine. It is not something that's going to stay on your lips for any length of time because it is very creamy and emollient, but because of that, it's not going to dry your lips out either, so it will be nice. But definitely we do transfer quite a bit, so it's just like a regular bullet lipstick. Nice and creamy, really, really nice. I did enjoy that. And I think that was everything that I tried on here on my BoxyCharm. So that was March and April's BoxyCharm try on. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys got in your box. Did you have anything different? Did you have a different experience with your BoxyCharm palette? You really, really liked it? You didn't? Kind of what you thought overall. And thank you so much for joining me. Again, I love having you along with me on this journey, and I can't wait to do more. So tomorrow we'll unbox the premium, so join me for that tomorrow. And that's where I'm going to sign off. Thanks. Bye.